testify solution to jam mathematics question on the board. If the scores of three students in a test are 5, 6, and 7, find the standard deviation of their scores. This is a typical question of statistics. But let's us summarize the formula: mean deviation, variance, then standard deviation, then we get the standard deviation. Easy, let's go. Let's start with mean deviation. MD, mean absolute deviation. Absolute modulus equals sum F modulus D, modulus of deviation, all over sum F. If the data have frequency of 1 each, if the data have frequency of 1 each, we have F will vanish. So we have some absolute deviation all over sum F. If the data have frequency of 1 each, F will vanish. Then from here we go to variance. We go to variance. Variance equals sum of D squared all over sum F. Then if you get the square root of variance, you have standard deviation. So standard deviation equals square root of variance, which is square root of sum D squared all over sum F. That is sum F. So this is how they relate. Now we are asked to get this standard deviation. So standard deviation equals sum, because frequency, the data have frequency of 1 each. So you now sum D squared all over sum F. So this is the now equals sum. We get the sum of the squares. Sum of the squares of deviation. Here the gain is 6. 5, which is what? Sum x minus x. All square all over sum F equals. Now mean is 6. This is 6. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Is 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. If you square them, if you square 1 minus 1, have 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 2. So what it means is that the sum plus the sum, this numerator is square root, numerator is what? 2. The numerator is 2 all over sum F, frequency 1, 2, 3, number of times, which is 3. Answer. Hope it's understood. Drop your question in the comment section.